In this video, we'll explore how carpooling apps are transforming travel, with a special focus on Blablacar, a leading platform operating in 21 countries across Europe, Asia, and Latin America. Whether you're looking to build a carpooling app for your country or have bigger plans to expand across multiple regions, this video is for you. We'll dive into how to create a carpooling app like Blablacar, its market potential, exploring its key features, and how Brew Labs can help turn your idea into a reality. Let's get started. Carpooling apps are reshaping travel by offering affordable, sustainable alternatives to traditional transportation. These apps not only reduce travel expenses but also cut down on traffic congestion and carbon emissions, contributing to greener, more efficient travel. By optimizing empty car seats, these apps make travel smarter, greener, and more community-driven. The surge in global inflation has made affordability a top priority for travelers, boosting the popularity of carpooling apps. Rising fuel prices and transportation costs have led people to seek budget-friendly alternatives, and apps like Blablacar meet this need by enabling passengers to share costs for both short and long-distance trips. Founded in Paris in 2006, Blablacar quickly grew, becoming the largest carpool website in France by 2008. Over the years, the platform expanded globally, connecting millions of users across 21 countries. By 2021, Blablacar was valued at $2 billion, and in 2024, after achieving profitability, the company secured $108 million in funding at an undisclosed valuation, cementing its position as a leader in carpooling innovation. To build a carpooling app like Blablacar, we start with the minimum viable product, or MVP, that includes essential features like driver and passenger profiles with ratings, ride listings and booking, real-time chat, secure payment systems, and location tracking. After launching the MVP, we can add features like ride preferences, multi-language support, and advanced AI-driven matching to help your app stand out in a competitive market. Partnering with an experienced development team can make the process much smoother. At Brew Labs, we specialize in building custom apps tailored to your vision, with a track record of serving over 5,000 global clients. Whether you want to create a carpooling app like Blablacar or a platform with unique features, we've got you covered. Our team will guide you from concept to launch, delivering a high-performing app that stands out in the market. To connect with us, click the link in the video description to visit our website, fill out a quick form, and schedule a free consultation session with us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It helps others discover our content. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.